Welcome to your home away from home in sunny The Villages, Florida. As I make this video, it's mid-February, 7 a.m. It's 64 degrees. As you approach the front door, you will notice the Yale keyless lock. By now you should have your key code. In order to open the lock, simply press the button at the top that says Yale, and that will light up the numbers. Enter your numbers that you should have, and the check mark. That unlocks the deadbolt, and you come on in. Once you're inside, simply close the door and lock it like you would any other door.